Today we're making lumpia! Yay!
Yay! Here you go.
Now we're gonna cut the vegetables up in small enough chunks. Your best friend here is gonna be a food processor. It will save you so much more time rather than having to chop every vegetable in tiny little pieces.
Okay, now you hit the button. Ta-da! Take it. Don't cry. It's so spicy. There's your garlic. Garlic. Yeah, put it aside. Smash harder as you can.
So here they're getting ready to throw the garlic into the food processor with the shallots. They are also going to add the 3 celery stalks before they add that mixture to the beef. Man, the kitchen is smelling so good right now. Again, we used ground beef here. You can use ground pork or ground turkey, whatever meat you prefer, or you can do a no meat version as well. That's the beauty of lumpia. You can basically make it however you want it. This is just one of the best recipes I've ever had in my entire life. So you're welcome. Typically, lumpia wrappers are quite thin, so use care and patience when separating them. It takes time, but I promise it'll be worth it in the end.
Roll, and we need to go angle this way. That's a lot. Only this much. Yes, okay, now you have to spread it like a pen, like this. Okay, and then fold it. And then you just kind of roll it, look like a pen, and roll it one time, and you fold the edges this way, and then you roll it slowly at first, and then you roll, then you roll, and then you put sealing with this beating eggs, and there you go, you have your roll of lumpia. Down the business.
Any advice you want to give about rolling lumpia?
When you're rolling lumpia,
It takes practice.
Don't be discouraged. You might mess up a few, but once you get it down,
It's pretty dang good.
so you have to roll it really skinny. See how? Yes.
Okay.
Then you roll it. Roll the edges. Like you're sending a letter to your boyfriend.
What?
Like that.
I don't know how I feel about that.
And that's the video. We hope you liked it. We hope you love the final product. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to follow us on our journey for more yummy food coming your way. From our family to yours. Take care and paalam. Bye.